Hey Ottawa, it's your friendly neighborhood John the Plumber here, serving you since 2006. Your reliable source for all things plumbing and drain cleaning services in Nepean. Want fast, friendly, and reliable service in Ottawa's neighborhoods like Nepean for clogged drains, clogged toilets, hot water tank replacements, or sump pump installations? Then call John the Plumber. All of our plumbers are licensed, insured, and most importantly, friendly. All of our work is backed by our industry-leading 2-year warranty. From drain cleaning, sump pump installations, to hose bib replacements, it's all covered by our warranty. Need sewer repair? We specialize in sewer repairs and replacements in Ottawa neighborhoods like Nepean. Need new faucets or valves? We have top-quality plumbing fixtures that are built to last. Need leaks repaired or pipes cleaned? Our team can repair your leaking pipes quicker than you can say, "Holy moly, my pipe is leaking." Need emergency plumbing in Nepean? Our team of skilled and professional plumbers are on standby, waiting to provide you with any solution to your plumbing problem. Day or night, Monday to Sunday, we are ready to provide you with exceptional plumbing service. Call us today or book online and save $20 on your booking. Returning customer, enjoy 10% off your bill thanks to our loyalty program. Want a quote? We'll provide you with a detailed and transparent and fair quote for the job at hand. If you choose us for the job, we'll waive your quote fee. Concerned about costs? John the Plumber offers competitive pricing and detailed quotes, plus easy financing options with Finance It. Enjoy soft, non-invasive credit checks and flexible payment plans, all without hidden penalties. With John the Plumber, you're choosing a trusted, local expert committed to quality and customer satisfaction. Join thousands of customers already experiencing peace of mind and exceptional customer service. Brenda said, "Fantastic plumbing work, the best plumbing service in my home in 45 years. Ted said, "Had them in to diagnose a leak behind our drywall. They did a great job finding the cause and presented a couple options to fix the problem. Happy for their expertise." Chris said, "Fantastic customer service and technician. They gave me an accurate quote and next steps on some future work. We'll choose them again." Visit us online or call today to schedule your quote or consultation from our team of friendly and reliable professionals.